everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to help you to find the best serum which you can use for your skincare routine. As you know, there are so many available in the market, but you should know what you're looking for. So let's begin. First I'm going to talk about hyaluronic acid serum. This is L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. Hyaluronic acid, basically it helps to retain moisture in our skin which is naturally present. We know that our body loses water, right? So it helps to create a barrier so that our body doesn't loses water. So when you apply it on your face, you're basically restoring your moisture which is actually naturally present there. So therefore your skin appears more healthy, more nourished, more plump, and it is, it appears very soft, and also it looks hydrated. So it is best for people who has dry skin and they want the natural moisture to be there, and you cannot use cream all the time and again. So therefore you can use it at night after cleansing your face, and then you can apply it all over your face, and then you can apply moisturizer. So let me know if you tried this hyaluronic acid from L'Oreal Paris. With hyaluronic acid, this is niacinamide. Niacinamide is vitamin B3, so it helps with the hyperpigmented skin, right? It acts as antioxidant, it is anti-inflammatory, and it regulates sebum production. So basically sebum is the reason for our acne. So it also reduces the acne formation and also the pigmentation which forms post acne, right? So it helps us to reduce that. So in this brand they have niacinamide along with hyaluronic acid. So it is for anti-pigmentation, anti-acne, anti-inflammatory, and for our skin to appear more nourished, more healthy, and more plumpy. So this is minimalist niacinamide and hyaluronic acid serum. For the pigmentation, I would suggest you to go for it. This is serum from Seven Skies. So it has a name acne serum, right? So we know that there is niacinamide present there, which is, I've told you, it is vitamin B3. It is good for anti-acne, and also it has some pro-vitamin E and also glycerine. So basically to moisturize your skin, it is for the acne only. So you can use it to the acne spots which is present there, and not use it generalized. So I would suggest you, if you have more acne, you should apply it over the acne only. This is vitamin C serum, the serum which is most talked about, most highlighted. And vitamin C is ascorbic acid. So basically it is helpful for the pigmentation of our skin, and therefore it helps our skin to appear more glowing. It also fades the pigmented spot that you have. It is also antioxidant, and also it helps to repair your skin. It helps to increase the collagen production, again for your skin to appear more bright and shiny. So this is minimalist vitamin C 10% serum. It should be applied over whole of the face. You can apply it in the morning or in the evening, and also in the morning after its application you can apply sunscreen. Okay, so this is the serum which you should go for if you're looking for a glowing skin. This is again a vitamin C serum. This has 20% vitamin C, and along with it has hyaluronic acid. So basically it has antioxidant property as well as anti-aging property. It is also again for the pigmentation, and it has, I would say, everything, right? Antioxidant, anti-aging, you will have glowing skin, youthful skin, more plumpy skin. So this is the combination of both the thing which we were looking for. This is True Derma vitamin C serum. This is the serum if you are reluctant to use any chemicals on your face. So this is Mom's Cool serum, which basically has all the natural ingredients. It has vitamin C, vitamin B3, hyaluronic acid. It has everything, so you can use it safely on your skin. There will be no reactions to your skin. So if you're looking for something more natural, you should go for this. Something new in the market. This is L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. It has basically salicylic acid. So salicylic acid helps in the exfoliation of the skin. Exfoliation means removal of dead cell, so that all you are left with is the good proliferating cells, which helps your skin to appear more younger and also more smooth. And they also say that it helps in the radiance. So I don't know much about that. We will have to use it and then I'm going to tell you. But definitely it states that it goes deep into the dermis and therefore it helps for new cells proliferation. So this is something I think which you should try, because you can use it before other serum as well. So this is L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence Serum. I hope this video has helped you to find the serum which is best for your skin. Let me know in the comment section, and if you have any queries, I would be happy to answer. Thank you for watching.